So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix DLL safe check.dll missing in Zoom.
So I am Vikas and you are watching VFX Vikas. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel.
So now first what you need to do is open up your browser and then type DLL, press enter, click on the first link which is www.dllfiles.com and then here search DLL safe check.dll and then press enter. Click on this file name DLL safe check.dll. Download this file. Click on the download button to download the file. Press Ctrl Z to go to download. Select show in folder. Make sure that you have installed WinRAR already. If you have not installed WinRAR, go and install WinRAR. Click on download WinRAR and then install it. You have to extract this file using WinRAR. Right click on your DLL safe check file. Select extract files. Select OK. Open the DLL safe check file. Right click on this DLL file. Select copy and then open this PC. Go to C drive, Windows. Copy the file according to your Windows. If you have 32-bit Windows, copy the file into System32. If you have 64-bit Windows, copy the file to syswow64. Let me show you how to check it. Right click on this PC icon, select properties. As you can see, I am using 64-bit Windows, so I have to paste the file to syswow64. Right click on it, select paste. After doing this, your problem will be solved. Close all the apps and then restart your PC. After restarting the PC, let's check our Zoom is working or not. Hope you guys like this video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. If you are also facing traffic.dll missing error in Zoom, the video link in the description and also in the I button. Go and watch now.